Right now I have us at about 20 seconds or so. You'll see a bright orange glow. That's how you know we're on the way. The engine's ignited about 3 seconds before launch. I'll be calling out the mission events as we continue up.
In about a minute after launch, it's going to enter a phase called max Q.
So get ready to see that sky turn orange. There you go.
And we have lift-off of the Bluebird 1 through 5 mission in the dawn of a new era of mobile connectivity.
So there we go, folks. It is on the way. ASTS Space Mobile. First step towards revolutionizing global connectivity. It is burning 700 gallons of fuel per second. I want you to remember that number. It's going to come back to you in a little bit. 700 gallons of fuel per second.
Folks, on your screen, it's very important. The one on the right is the vehicle going up. The one on the left is the view. So again, you should be looking right behind me. Look for an orange dot as we're continuing. There it is by the VAB. That's the landing coming up.
The vehicle is flying.
So again, get ready to hear it, and then...
Now very shortly you'll hear those sonic booms. So stand by. And they usually have the landing broadcast on the TV.
Falcon 9 uses.
The booms are very loud.
The soot builds up a little bit more on the outside of the vehicle. We have
And that's 11 miles away, so it'll take a while to get here. There's your sonic boom. Now you